again is no code. It means just that there's no code here, but you do have all these modules. These are called modules, and there are other utility things like routers. Make.com does have documentation to help you get caught up to speed if you want to know how all this stuff works. Now, as I mentioned previously, I'm making this scenario available. I'll mention the details of how to get that at the end of near the end of the video. But basically, what I'm going to do is say export blueprint, and then once you get the Make.com scenario, you would come in here and say import that blueprint, and then all the work is done for you. So that is why I'm not going to recreate what I've already done, because you can go get this yourself. Okay, let's explain this a little bit. So after you click automate up there, it kicks this off. And what is this? Well, this is a special URL to grab the thumbnail from that video. What we need is a YouTube ID. Well, that could change. And that's why the webhook is going to contain the YouTube ID. And this magically gets the thumbnail. Pretty cool. So in this router, it's going to route in different paths. There are conditions in the router. In this case, I'm calling this a label LinkedIn. The condition is type, which is, again, passed in here. Let's go back to here. So in that type, I'm selecting, it contains a value. In this case, I don't care if it's uppercase or lowercase. So I select that, and then it contains IN. Why IN? Well, if you go back to the spreadsheet, it's IN here. And the same is true for the other routings. Does it contain X and F? Okay, let's go back to the scenario. So that's how that works. So if you see for Facebook, same sort of thing, it's got the F there. For this one, for X, it has the word X or the letter X here. And then this doesn't have a condition because I'll explain that at just in a moment later here. I'll explain. Okay, so let's go back up to the first flow. So here we're leveraging ChatGPT. The model I've chose at this moment in time, as of September 13th, 2024, the current 4.0 system is using this one from May. However, soon they're going to be promoting it to this level. And it's 50% cheaper when you send the inputs and 33% cheaper when they send it back to you. So that's why I selected this. If you want to save even more money, you could use the mini, like this one. But for now, I'm just using this version to save 50%. Next, I clicked on add a message. Then you have different roles. I picked system. Then down here, I picked user. An assistant is where you do a model